today's video, I'm going to give you 6 tips to surviving a homesteading winter. Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below. My first tip for you is to stockpile your wood. We get our wood directly from our property. We cut it down in early spring and we let it sit out on the property until it dries. Then we will bring it over here to our wood pile and we will manually cut it and stack it up. The rule is to have enough wood stockpiled for your homesteading winter for 2 winters. Just in case something happens and you have to use extra wood. You never want to run out. Whenever you're getting your wood, you want to try to get it from your own property. This is going to save you money. It's not going to cost anything but a little bit of hard manual labor, and then you're going to be able to have a warm house all winter long. Inside your house, there are rooms that we don't normally use on a day-to-day basis. Whenever we're heating our home with wood, we have a wood furnace or a fireplace, and that doesn't always heat everything. In my house, we use fans to push the heat to other rooms. However, my suggestion is to close off the rooms that you don't use. This is going to help keep the central area of the house as warm as it can possibly be all winter long and help you to consume less firewood. Stockpile your gasoline, diesel, and oil. Sometimes whenever you're living out here in the country, you do not have access. The roads are not clear during the bad winters in order for you to get to town. So before you know that you're going to get a storm or before winter comes, I would start stockpiling your gasoline, your oil, and your diesel. Check your emergency supplies and your emergency kit, your first aid kit, your candles, your flashlights, your batteries. You just need to make sure that you have all of those things ready and in order. Share your thoughts with me. What else do you do to get ready for your homesteading winter? I would love to see your videos, your photos. Please put them all down in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.